Alright, here we have a General Electric Fashionette air conditioner, probably from the 60s or so. My friend Nate got this the other day from Habitat. It was actually a pretty cool find, honestly, and it cleaned up really well. I don't know much about these. I know it's like an evolution of the GE Carry Cool things, and that's about it, really. But yeah, take a look at it. It's a General Electric Fashionette 6000. And there's your control center. On the other side, see how I can do this. You got the condenser coils. It's got the like thin kind, like the Carry Cools used. I don't know if the sticker's here. It is. Gosh. Fashionette 6000 BTU. There's all your information. If you want to read it, feel free to pause the video because I got blood rushing to my head and I don't like to do that. It's got these little like spinny things. It's like car vents basically. You can like move them around and direct the airflow, yeah. Well, we'll start off on fan low. And it's really quiet. Blowing the air, but I mean, it's not much different than turning on a freaking box fan or something. Here's high. Now she's really cranking. It has a really interesting smell to it. Alright. I'll stick her on low cool. There she goes. A lot of people like to pull air. Yeah, I can't talk. Freaking compressor, that's what I meant to say. It's blowing some air. I mean, it's like low fan. It's not a whole lot, but I mean, honestly, it's starting to kick out some more cold air. Now let's send her up on high. On high, it really starts to crank the cold air. I don't think it's had the chance to really warm up yet. It turned out nice. Like, when you got it, I wasn't sure if it was going to...
It was packed full of freaking pantyhose.
Yeah. It was just packed full of crap. And like, I mean, honestly, the frame of it was in better shape than I was expecting. Right. Yeah, it's starting to crank some cold air now.
Oh, yeah, it seems to run pretty decent.
Runs good. I mean, for a freaking almost 60-year-old air conditioner, she does pretty goddamn good. Does better than any modern piece of crap would do.
Yeah, that's cool. I like those. You got all your Venturi right down there. You can
Yeah, you can twist them around and stuff. It's kind of like car vents, essentially.
Like in the old Pontiacs.
Yeah, the big round vents in the Pontiac. And I still can't get over that smell. It smells like a old box.
Even though we cleaned it, it still smells like an old air
Yeah. Just has like a vintage smell. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, we'll shut her down. That's the air exchanger. I don't know what that really does,
It's
but
like a
thermostat. Well, there we go. Guess it must think it's really hot in here. Alright, we'll shut her down. So yeah, there you have it. A General Electric Fashionette 6000.
Maybe at some point you'll see it in the window here, testing.
So
Yeah.
it's a 6,000 BTU?
Yeah. And whenever Nate throws it in the window, it'll probably get another video. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.